What's your name?
Tiger.
How old are you?
3.
What don't I know?
I just said 3.
Okay. What about the dark side?
You don't know the power of sound.
Say that again?
I'm okay. I'm okay.
Who says that?
I did.
Who says that in the movie?
Darth Vader.
Yeah, which movie?
I don't know.
What's-
Star Wars.
Yeah? What do you have there that you're playing with?
A lightsaber.
Yeah?
Yes.
And what does Darth Vader say again?
You don't.
You're being silly.
Yeah.
Can you say it not silly?
No.
No.
I can say it. What's silly?
Okay.
You're done.
Alright. You gonna fight?
Yep.
I'm going to get you, Darth Vader.
Yeah. You don't know the power of the dark side.
What's your favorite movie?
My favorite movie is Disney Junior and PBS Kids.
Oh.
Yeah.
Can you sing the Star Wars song?
Yes.
How's it go?
It goes like da 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 da.
What about Darth Vader's song?
Dun 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 dun.
What's that song called?
I don't know.
You do know it.
I don't know it.
Right off the bat.
Maybe-
It's called March.
What kind of march?
I don't know. T-Y-L-E-R.
What kind of march?
Tyler.
Tyler March?
No, not Tyler March. Just T-Y-L-E-R.
Maybe Daddy can help.
Peering.
Peering?
Yes.
Peering March?
Yep. Peero.
Pirol?
Yes.
Gotcha. Can Daddy think of any other questions?
Who's the yellow droid?
I don't know.
Who's the big, tall, skinny one that you were?
C. Free. Q.
No.
P. What does that say? Oh,
And who's the other droid?
I don't know.
Who's the little one that Jason was for Halloween?
3PO.
And
R2D2.
And who's the other one?
I'm 3PO and this is R2D2.
Yeah?
Yes.
who else is in Star Wars?
I don't know.
Who's the big guy with a lot of fur?
Chewie.
Who's Chewie's friend?
I don't know.
What's the big ship?
Star Wars spaceship.
What's it called?
I don't know. But I don't know the spaceship.
Okay.
How about the one that looks like that?
It's called the X-Wing. Pew, 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 pew.
Who's the little green guy with big ears?
I don't know.
Talk funny, he does, yes.
Yoda.
Mm-hmm.
Who are the... Do you know who the little furry guys are?
Yep.
Who are they?
I don't know.
You don't know?
Yes.
You haven't seen that one enough.
Yes.
Who are the ones that look like little teddy bears?
Saddest bears.
They're bears? Do they have a name?
Nope.
Okay.
They do not have a name.
What does Darth Vader sound like?
Dun, dun, dun,
That's...
dun.
What's his voice sound like?
You don't know the power of the dark side.
Can you do that?
I can't.
You can't. Okay.
So,
Is there anything else you want to tell us about Star Wars?
I can have my lighters, but if I can say, that's that.
All right. Say bye-bye.
Bye.